We're here at Universal's Stella Nova Resort. It's opening day and we're staying here for 2 days. We're going to check out our room, so come along. It's a nice looking room, nice and spacious. So right when you walk in, you have this little foyer area. You could put stuff here if you needed to. This room has an adjoining room, so if you needed another room, there you go. Right here we have a full-length mirror. Check out that outfit, ready to go. To our right, we have a wet area with a sink. You have wash rags and hand towels, soap, hair dryer, and extra paper products. You have a nice mirror here. It's backlit, but the lighting in here is good. So let's go into this room, which is your bathing area. Now this room has a shower. You can get a room with a shower or you can get a room with a bathtub. You just have to request that at the front desk when you check in. The shower has nice sliding doors. And as you can see, Stella Nova has their own product. So we're the first ones in this room. We have shampoo and conditioner, which I just popped open. Nice shower head, soap to bathe with. You even have a little rack here that you could put your leg up on if you want to shave your legs. Let's turn over here. This is where you have some more towels. And you have a towel rack and of course your toilet. Now let's walk back out this way and you have a closet. It's kind of interesting looking, the shape of it. Double doors with extra pillow and blanket. Then we have hanging space with hangers, ironing board, and then there's a luggage rack, an iron, some more hanging space, and a safe. Good size safe. You could put a laptop in there and some other things, and you put in your own code. Next to the closet is your thermostat. And then if you look over near the wet area, they have this wall of glass. It's a half wall, and on this side it's glass, and on this side they have a curtain. The curtain only goes as far as the wall. Okay, now we're in the bedroom area. 2 queen beds. There's no storage underneath, so just to let you know that. Next to the beds you have light switches. The light switch that is on the wall, that the same as the headboard, that controls the lights over the bed. Then you have another light switch on the wall where the curtain is, and that controls, I call the decor lights, so the lights underneath the Galaxy mural and the lights over the window. These beds look nice and comfortable. In between you have a nightstand with a lamp, an alarm clock, and on the wall behind there you see you have outlets and USB ports. There's a drawer in the nightstand, there's the Bible, so you can put some things in there, but that's it. You can't use the other parts of this nightstand. There's no opening. That's okay. Over here you can see we have a nice window. It's kind of like a spaceship shape, and when you open these curtains we have a park view. So that is epic. It's not open yet, they're still working on it, and it's kind of a dreary rainy day today, but it's pretty exciting to see what is over there. Big parking lot here, by the way. So you have curtains here, and then we also have blackouts, which are behind them. Let's turn over this way. You'll see we have a little couch area with a table. You can use it to eat on or work. Nice bright light right here. There's also an outlet over here, so you can use that to plug in your computer. And then we have a big TV. This TV does swivel, so if you wanted to point it more towards one side of the room or the other, you can do that. We have a dresser here with 4 drawers. All the drawers are the same depth, so you can unload your suitcases. Nice countertop. They have information about the resort right here. And here we have outlets, USBs, and this shuts and you can open it. Of course, they have a phone, pen, paper. And then here is our last little area. Here's our coffee machine, and it has pods that you can make your coffee, ice bucket, and cups. Underneath in this unit, you're gonna find a little mini fridge. It does not have a freezer, but you can get ice. So that wraps up the tour of our room. If you like this video, please hit like and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.